Weird Facts You Never Knew Part 1. The sun is not actually burning as we think. Most of us believe that the sun is burning like a ball of fire. However, the truth is that the bright spots on the sun are not flames, but rather caused by the sun's immense gravitational pull. The sun's mass is so huge that its tremendous weight compresses all the atoms on the sun, causing them to continuously collide and crush each other. Moreover, the sun contains a lot of hydrogen, and when two hydrogen nuclei collide and fuse together, they form helium. This nuclear fusion reaction process releases a tremendous amount of energy, and because it happens non-stop, the sun always appears to be hot and glowing, much like a red-hot metal sphere heated from within, rather than a ball of fire burning from the outside. The weirdest facts nobody told you in the past 2 years. These are the most bizarre sea creatures that you could never imagine existed. First, the giant squid, the largest specimen ever found, measured up to 6.4 meters long, with tentacles that can reach up to 20 times the length of its body, making the giant squid look like an extraterrestrial creature. Next is the goblin shark, named after its terrifying hunting technique. Instead of biting its prey like other sharks, it extends its entire jaw forward and swallows the prey whole. Another creature is an unidentified species captured on film at depths greater than 1,100 meters below the ocean's surface. This bizarre creature not only has the ability to rapidly change its shape, but also has continuous bioluminescent stripes that change colors along its body. At first glance, it resembles a spaceship from another planet. Apart from this rare video footage, this creature remains a great mystery to humans. Finally, there is the Dumbo octopus. It is an octopus, but its appearance is similar to that of an elephant due to its plump body and very short arms, especially the two fins on its head which resemble elephant ears. When in danger, the Dumbo octopus will retract and cover its face, as if it is feeling embarrassed. Saudi Arabia has stunned the world by announcing plans to build a futuristic city called The Line. The city's buildings will be constructed in a linear form, reaching up to 500 m in height, 200 m in width, and stretching over 170 kilometers in a straight line. The city's exterior will be covered entirely in mirrors. The unique feature of this city is that it will be divided into small segments, with buildings constructed in 3D from both below and above two horizontal walls. The city's design allows for maximum use of space, providing residents with easy access to amenities such as schools, hospitals, recreational areas, and workplaces within a 5-minute walk. Public services and transportation will be entirely operated by artificial intelligence, AI, enabling quick and efficient travel, with residents taking only 20 minutes to travel from one end of the city to the other. Because all vehicles run on electricity, this city will have no emissions. Energy and water sources are also renewable. This megastructure is expected to be home to millions of residents. What's even more insane is that this is just one of 3 megaprojects of Saudi Arabia with the ambition to turn things that only exist in science fiction into reality. The bizarre truth that no one has told you for the past 2 years. This is the entrance to the tomb of the Egyptian pharaoh Tutankhamun before it was excavated by the British in 1923. The seal is still intact and has not been touched by anyone for over 3,200 years. Over 58 artifacts were buried in the young king's tomb, including 3 highly notable ones, and the final artifact will raise a big question about the ancient Egyptians' understanding. First is the king's chariot. The burial of a chariot alongside the king is very unusual. Some hypotheses suggest that Tutankhamun may have died from falling off this chariot, hence it was buried with the king. The second one is a statue of the god Anubis. According to ancient records, he was the god who oversaw the mummification process and was responsible for leading the souls of the kings to the afterlife. Finally, the object that caused much controversy was an iron dagger. After years of research, it was concluded that the material used to make this dagger did not come from Earth. It was a type of iron with extraterrestrial origins, also known as meteoric iron. Today, meteoric iron is extremely rare and its value is even higher than gold.